Myself, Mohan Krishna, Department of Computer Science. Our project topic on modeling and stimulation of mobile robot with line follower and abstract avoidance using gunsight technology. This is our all team members: the Mohan Krishna ji, YN Pratap Reddy, Yashwant TU, Varun Kumar VG, and this is the content we're going to be explained now on about our projects: the abstract, objective, problem identification, proposed system, hardware and software. Okay, outcomes. Okay, sir. Uh, Abstracts. The project discusses the design of advanced line following sensors and algorithms that using the moving average filter concepts. The line tracker vehicle is embedded machine that can be detect and follow the line on the floor, and it is an integrated design from the knowledge of mechanical, electrical, computer engineering. Generally, the path is predefined and can be either visible like a line on the white surface, which can have high constant color. It can be invisible like magnetic field we can use in the place of light. It is some introduction. The designing of advanced line following sensors and algorithm that using moving the average filter and concept of PID means PID algorithm we has been used like a proportional integral and derivative, making the sensors capable of avoiding all the problems by conventional line sensors. Okay, the sensors detect the white line on the colored surface. It can independent of surrounding light condition also. The problem of non-uniform output due to the ambient light is tackled by having the individual threshold value per sensors. And it is some more introduction. The sensors provides a feedback to the system for error detection can be correct by using PID algorithm, which is the main thing. And also sensor have a very simple circuit and compact, and algorithm is developed ultimate human efforts to manually collaborate to sensors. Okay. And this is the software requirements: operating system Windows 10 and Blink Arduino 1.8.5 and the language used C. An Arduino UNO or Arduino Nano we can call L293D motor IC and Gade motor 2 and robot chase and IR sensors model 2 and the black tape you used for the like line and connecting wires and power supply. And the objective was our project is to describe the line following robot using Arduino for surveying, inspecting, and enhancing transportation of necessary material inside the healthcare or hotels, institute, and industries also. And proposed systems spot the block path and processed in its direction on the ground, and the system causes assess the work of the material convenience as well as minimizing the manpower. The technology targeting on the secured, punctual, and construction transport of the goods. The project aimed to implement a control movement of robot by tunneling the control parameters and those achieved better performance. And some literature survey and Muhammad Farad and the modeling stimulation of omnidirectional mobile robot with line follower and abstract avoidance. He is only he's observed on omnidirection the vehicle can move. And another is a Satyam Tayal is a line following robot design hardware applications is mainly focused on hardware. And Surav Sudran is intelligent line follower robot using the MSP4. Okay. These all are the remaining authors we have been referred for our project, and it's the problem identified in the industry. In the industry, carrier are required to carry the product from a one manufacturing plant to another, which are usually in different building or separate blocks. Can conventional tracks are used to human drivers. Okay, unreliable and inefficient in the part of this assembly line is formed a weakest link. We observed the project is to automate those sector using the robot to line follow the instant of laying the railway tracks, which are both costly and convenience. The main aim of this project we have been implementing on today for that the COVID-19 emergency bed can be implemented as a line tracking bed robot. Means in this one of the protocol we have been developed in which we can implement as a COVID-19 emergency bed, which going to be traveled automatically in the when the patient will to maintain hygienic. We can also use for emergency conditions patients also we can for in internal of the hospital the moving that bed to an emergency ward. And this is a proposed system how we've been implemented. The line followers is a autonomous robot which is capable of navigating itself by following predefined paths, and is also most widely used concept in construction of autonomous robots. And output of the sensors is given to input of the controllers, whereas input of the motors given by the controller and output of the motors is given to gear motors. The IR sensors reflect the light according to the sensed light by IR sensors. Arduino decide the direction of the motors. As these are advantages and applications, the robot movement is automatic, it's also long distance. Okay. From now, and the fit and forget system. From now, Pratap Reddy will be continued. Yeah, Pratap Reddy. Sir, sir, let I show some this one. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, thank you. Sir, now, sir, ready, sir. Recording part is ready, sir. Today only I can send, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.